The circulatory system is a network that carries blood throughout an animal's body. Described as an internal transport system or a distribution system, the circulatory system maintains a constant flow of blood throughout the body, carrying nutrients and oxygen to the body's tissues, and taking away its waste products. It also helps regulate the body's temperature, carrying substances like antibodies and white cells that protect the body from disease. The structure of the circulatory system is centered around the heart. It is a central organ of the cardiovascular system. The heart is the organ that pumps blood through a network of blood vessels. There are more functions, however, than just getting blood everywhere, such as pumping blood through your lungs to make certain that the blood supply is constantly refreshed with oxygen and carbon dioxide is removed, and pumping blood through your body to meet its demand for oxygen and nutrients. Other organs in the circulatory system include arteries, capillaries, and veins. Arteries carry blood away from your heart. Capillaries are tiny vessels whose walls are so thin that nutrients and waste products flow through them, and veins are a large blood vessel that carries blood to the heart. The endocrine system is the collection of glands that produce hormones that regulate metabolism, growth and development, tissue function, sexual function, reproduction, sleep, and mood, among other things. The structure of the endocrine system includes the hypothalamus, pineal, and pituitary glands, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, kidneys, and pancreas, also the testes and ovaries. The hypothalamus is the area of the brain that coordinates many activities of the nervous system and endocrine system. It receives information from other brain regions and then responds to these signals as well as to blood concentrations of circulating hormones. The thyroid gland produces and secretes the hormones thyroxine and triiodothyronine. The thyroid gland helps maintain normal heart rate, blood pressure, and body temperature. Thyroid hormones promote the development of many of the body's systems. The pineal gland secretes the hormone melatonin. Concentrations of this hormone increase sharply at night and decrease dramatically during the day. This hormone helps regulate sleep patterns. The endocrine and circulatory systems work together in various ways in many different body parts. Through blood vessels, many hormones are transported to provide nourishment and help in fighting diseases, stabilize temperature and pH, and maintain homeostasis. The hypothalamus is a part of the brain that secretes hormones that affect the pituitary, another endocrine gland in the brain, by traveling through the cardiovascular system to the pituitary and exerting control of hormonal releases by that gland. The ovaries are female reproductive glands located near the uterus. They release hormones into the blood that course through the cardiovascular system and cause the development of female features like breast development and control of the menstrual cycle in pregnancy. The testes are paired male reproductive glands located in the groin. They produce mainly testosterone, a hormone that circulates in the cardiovascular system and controls the development and regulation of male features. A disease involving the circulatory system is atherosclerosis. High-fat diets can lead to formation of fatty plaques lining blood vessels. These fatty areas can become calcified and hard, leading to arteriosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. When blood vessels become less stretchable, blood pressure rises and can result in heart and kidney damage and strokes. A disease involving the endocrine system is diabetes. This is what happens when the pancreas stops producing insulin, a hormone, and a person gets type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disorder where some other part of the body's immune system attacks pancreatic cells, preventing them from producing insulin. Any one of these delicate systems can be the culprit in pushing the body's system out of balance.